I call this the tree effect. And the process is you go around the tree, you circle around the tree while you are showing the general scenery. So what happens is the tree in the surroundings are going to create a contrasting effect that makes the video more cinematic. It doesn't matter if it's a tree or a pole or any kind of objects that allows you to circle around while doing the scenery. The important thing is whatever you do or however you pan your camera is to make sure that the tree is included in the frame. The tree is going to serve as a local reference that allows the viewers feel what's going on in the video that you are trying to show. Because without the tree, what happens is the viewers will just take a look on the general scenery and without any feeling of without any reference of localized object, it becomes a little bit boring and more bland. But in here, like this, for instance, here I'm just panning around and you can see it's really beautiful, but without any localized object like this tree, the video just become ordinary. So this how this tree effect is going to help your video more cinematic and at the same time more interesting to the viewers. If you learn anything from this video presentation, don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified on my new incoming video uploads.